Worksport announced its participation in the D. Boral Capital inaugural global conference occurring on May 14, 2025 in New York City. The event will include one-on-one investor meetings with Worksport's CEO Stephen Rossi, taking place from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. ET on the same day. The company recently partnered with Patriot Automotive Technologies to expand its business-to-business B2B network. This partnership will see Worksport's line of tonneau covers sold through Patriot's 200-plus dealer locations across the U.S. Patriot Automotive Technologies, a division of Patriot Liner, specializes in automotive aftermarket accessories and customization services for retail and fleet customers. The collaboration is expected to generate a significant revenue source for both companies, strengthening Worksport's path to sustained profitability while expanding Patriot Automotive Technologies' portfolio of high-demand aftermarket products. Worksport is aggressively expanding its U.S.-based distribution channels as part of an ongoing growth strategy. The company's partnership with Patriot Automotive Technologies is a significant milestone that will boost revenue and strengthen Worksport's position in the market. CEO Stephen Rossi stated that Worksport aims to secure additional influential distribution partners while continuing to support local dealers and provide high-quality, American-made products and unparalleled service. Worksport is planning to release further updates on new partnerships and business developments in the near future, including launches of its Solis solar tonneau cover and COR portable energy system. These expansions follow the company reporting a significant growth in its B2B sales for March 2025, seeing nearly a 70% increase from February due to rising demand for their AL4 premium tonneau cover. The company's U.S. dealer network has expanded by 64%, adding 35 new accounts in March alone, and planning further expansion with strategic partnerships that prioritize American-made quality and value dealer success. Worksport aims to capitalize on this growth, launching sustainable power solutions like the Solis solar integrated tonneau cover and COR modular portable energy system later this year. The company expects its net sales to range between $20 million and $34.5 million for fiscal year 2025, driven by demand for premium hard-folding covers, the upcoming Solis solar integrated tonneau cover, and COR mobile battery system. The company anticipates gross margins reaching 25 to 30% by late 2025, with a focus on operational efficiency to target break-even and potential cash flow positivity by year-end 2025, contingent on achieving the upper range of its revenue and margin targets. Additionally, Worksport has seen significant growth in online sales, which now make up 51% of total revenue, and initiated government sales to position itself for future business development. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.